Good morning children. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the money. What topic we are learning today? Money. Why we use money? Yes, we use money to buy things. What we can buy with money? Yes, we can buy chocolates, biscuits, some things. Yes? Chocolates, biscuits are like you? Yes, you like chocolates and biscuits. If your mother gave money, what you are buying with that? Yes, you are buying chocolates and biscuits with that. Yes, you like to buy balloons. Yes, these are all want to buy. What we have to use? We use money to buy such things. Yes, so money is necessary in our lives. Without money, we can't survive in our lives. Yes. We can survive with money, without money? No, we can't eat and we can't buy anything without money. We want food. How we will get the food? We will get the food. We want to buy the rice. So, how we will buy the rice? With what we will buy the rice? With money. So, these are all purposes we are using money. So, nowadays, what we are using in the money? What we are using? We are using coins. What coin? It is a 1 rupee coin. We are using a 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Yes, and 10 rupee note. It is a 10 rupee note and it is a 20 rupee note and 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes. And we are having still 200 rupee notes are there, 500 rupee notes are there, 2000 rupee notes also available. But in previous days, what they use? They use pies also. They use pies. 1 pies, 2 pies, 5 pies, 10 pies, 25 pies, 50 pies coins. But that coins are not using now. But before days, in earlier days, they are using only 1 pies, 2 pies, 3 5 pies, 10 pies, 25 pies coins and 50 pies coins only they are using. But nowadays we are using 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees also. Okay, so 1 rupee makes 2. How many pies? 1 rupee makes 2. Rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies. 100 pies. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So, how many 25 pies coins make a 100 pies? 25 pies coins are, how many make it will? 4 25 pies coins make 100 pies. 4 25 pies coins make 100 pies. So, these 4 25 pies coins make 100 pies. That means, if you have 4 25 pies coins with you, it is equal to 1 rupee. It is equal to 1 rupee. So, nowadays we are not using these 25 pies coins. Next one, 50 pies coins. How many 50 pies coins make 100 pies? 250 pies coins make 100 rupees. That means, these 250 pies coins is equal to 100 pies. It is equal to rupees 1. It is equal to rupees 1. So, if you have 4 25 pies coins, how much money is there with you? 1 rupee. If you have 250 pies coins is there with you, how much money is there with you? 1 rupee. Okay. That means 250 pies coins make 1 rupee. 4 25 pies coins make 100 pies. It is equal to also 1 rupee. Suppose how we will make a 5 rupees. See, how many 2 rupees and how many 1 rupees make rupees 5. How many 2 rupees coins we will take? How many 1 rupee coin we will take? It is equal to 5 rupees. So, if we take 1 2 rupee coin, 1 2 rupee coin is 2 rupees and we want 5 rupees. So, 3 1 rupee coins, 1 2 rupee coin, 3 1 rupee coin is there. It will make 5 rupees. Suppose, if you have 2 2 rupees coins, if you have 2 2 rupees coin, still how many 1 rupee coins are need to make 5 rupees? 2 2 rupees means 2 2s are 4. Already 4 rupees are there. Still how much more? How much more 1 rupees we need? Only 1 rupee. 1 rupee make rupees 5. Okay. How many 2 rupees and how many 3 rupees coins make 5 rupees? 1 2 rupees is there with you. If you want 3 1 rupee coins, if 2 rupee coins are there with you, if you want 1 rupee coin, same. How many 5 rupee coins make 10 rupees? How many 5 rupees coins? 2 5 rupees coins make 10 rupees. 2 5 rupees coins make 10 rupees. Understand, ma'am? Next one is writing rupees and pies. We can write the given amount of money in 2 ways. One is in words and is in figures. We can write the given amount of money in 2 ways. One is in words, one is in figures. How we should write in the words and how we should write in the figures. Suppose it is rupees 2 and it is 50 pies. How we should write this one in the words first? We can write the given amount of money in words and figures. First, how we should write in words? It is 2 rupees 50 pies. So we should write 2 rupees 50 pies. 2 rupees 50 pies. So how we should? It is in words. How we should write in figures? Rupees 2. 2 rupees 2. 50 pies. Before put dot and 50. Okay. We write the above money as in the words. How we should write? 2 rupees 50 pies. It is written as in the figure rupees 2.50. In figures, the dot. Okay, this one rupees 2.50 it is in figure. In this dot separates the rupees and pies. This dot separates the rupees and pies. Dot before left of the dot is rupees, right of the dot represents pies. Left of the dot shows rupees and right of the dot shows pies. Okay, one more one. Rupees 5. 3 pies. 5 and 3 pies. If the pies, if you observe here, how we should write first here this one? 5 rupees, 3 pies. It is in words. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. 3 pies. 5 rupees. 3 pies. How we should write this one in figures? Rupees 3, 5 rupees 5 dot. Here pies is given, it is less than 5. When it is less than 5, we write a 0 after the dot. It is less than 10. It is less than, if the given number is less than 10, we write a 0 after the dot. So what is the dot after? We have write here 0 and here 3. Rupees 5.03. Okay, shall we write some more? How? If they gave in words, how we write in figures? Suppose 10 rupees 30 pies. 10 rupees 30 pies. They gave in words, how we should write in the figures? 10 rupees 30 pies. Rupees 10 dot 30 pies. 30 pies. I said before, this dot, the dot separates rupees and pies. The left of the dot indicates rupees, the right of the dot indicates pies. So 10 rupees 30 pies. Next one more one. 6 rupees 8 pies. 6 rupees 8 pies. How we should write this one in figures? 6 rupees. 6 rupees, so rupees 6 dot 8 pies. 8, only it is less than 10. So we should put a 0 after the dot. So 0, 8 rupees 6.08. This one, how they, if they gave in words, how we should write in the figures. Next one is converting rupees into pies. We should convert rupees into pies. How we should convert? To convert rupees and pies into pies, remove this symbol. It is what symbol? Rupee and the dot. We have to remove the rupee symbol and dot. Write P for pies at the end. We have to remove the pies and we have to remove the rupee symbol and dot, and we have to write the P at end. Or multiply the rupees by 100 and add the pies to it. We have to multiply with 100 and we have to add pies for it. For example, rupees 5.25 given. How we should write this one? We should remove this and we should remove this dot, and rupee symbol and dot remove. If the two remove, what is the 525? Put P here. 525 pies. 525 pies. Again, rupees 10.20. Here also remove the rupee symbol and dot. 1020. 1020. Put at the end pies. Suppose they gave rupees 9.00. Here also remove the rupee symbol and dot. 900 pies. Suppose they gave rupees 18 rupees. 18 rupees. Like this given time, 1 rupee is equal to how much pies? 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 80 rupees. 18 into 100. 1800 pies. P put here. 18 into 100 P. 100 pies. So 18 into 100, 1800 P. Suppose 3 rupees 20 pies. 3 rupees 20 pies. First write this one in figures now. Like this given term, first write in figures. 3 rupees 20 pies. How we should write? Rupees 3 dot 20 pies 20. While we have to convert into pies, remove this rupee symbol and dot. Is equal to 320 pies. 320 pies. 11 rupees 4 pies. 11 rupees 4 pies. How we should write this one? 11 rupees 4 pies. First write in figures. Rupees 11. Here 4 pies is there. 4 is less than 10. So put dot and immediate 0 and 4. When we have to remove this one, remove the point and rupee symbol. 1104. Put here pi symbol P. Okay. This next one. 4 rupees 12 pies. 4 rupees 12 pies. 4 rupees 12 pies. How we should write? Rupees 4. Here it is 12. Point dot point 12. 1 to 12. So here 412 pies. While we are converting rupees into pies, if it is there in the figures, we have to remove the rupee symbol and dot. We have to write that number and put at the end P. So 18 rupees given, only rupees given time. 18 rupees, 13 rupees, 10 rupees given time. Multiply with 100. Suppose here 10 rupees. 10 rupees. 10 into 1 rupee, how much pies? 100 pies. 10 into 100 pies. 10 hundreds, 1000 pies. 1000 pies. Next, 12 rupees. 12 into 1 rupee, 100 pies. 12 into 100 pies. 1200 pies. When they give rupees, we can do this one. When they give rupees and pies, first we have to write that one in the figures. After that, remove the rupee symbol and dot and write the number put at the end P. Converting rupees into pies. To convert rupees and pies into pies, remove rupee symbol and the dot. Write P for pies at the end. P for pies. P indicates pies. So we have to write at the end P. Or multiply the rupees by 100 and add the pies to it. If it is not there like that means we have to multiply with 100 and put P at the end. Next one is converting pies into rupees. Converting pies into rupees. How we should convert? To convert pies into rupees, divide by 100. The quotient is rupees and the remainder is pies. The quotient is rupees and the remainder is pies. For example, 270 pies. While we are converting into rupees, we have to divide 270 pies. We have to divide with 100. We have to divide with 100. 270 pies. We have to divide with 100. So do division with 100. While we are doing division with 100, in the 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros are there. When 2 zeros are there, the digits and ones and tens place. The digits and ones and tens place are remainder and the remaining is quotient. So here what is the quotient? 2 is the quotient. The quotient is rupees. So it is 2 rupees. 2 rupees 70 pies. 2 rupees 70 pies. How we should write in the figures? Rupees 2.70. 2.70. It is 2.70. Next one. 1132 pies. 1132 pies. We have said first 1132. Do division with 100. While we are doing division with 100, last ones and tens place. These two will be the, here these two will be the remainder and it is quotient. Here also it is quotient. It is remainder. So, which containing quotient here 11? So, 11 rupees 32 pies. 11 rupees 32 pies. So, the answer is rupees 11. It is more than 10. So, 0.32. 0.32. Next, 508 pies. 508 pies. So, here 508 divided by 100. While we are dividing with 100, last two digits are remainder and the remaining here only one number, it is quotient. So, here how we should write quotient is 5. So, 5 rupees 08 here. 08 right here. 08 right or only 8 right, no problem. 8 pies. So, in figures rupees 5.08. 5.08. Next, 846 pies. So here we should divide 846 with 100. While we are dividing with 100, ones and tens place digits are remainder and the remaining quotient. It is quotient. This quotient is rupees and the remainder is pies. Quotient is rupees. Remainder is pies. So, 8 rupees 46 pies. So, rupees 8.46. 8.46. Next, 9,000 pies. So, 9,000 we have to do division with 100. Here these two are remainder, these two are quotient. In the remainder both are zeros only now, then no need write. Only 90 rupees. 90 rupees. Rupees 90. Only zeros are there, we don't write. Leave that term. Okay, this is converting pies into rupees.